And good day, everyone. This is George Kosh, and I wanted to talk to you about our new program called Rotator Genie. This is a program that allows you to broadcast several URLs using one URL, and it will either rotate them and send the traffic to all of the URLs in the system randomly, or based on the amount of traffic that they're getting, so that they all get an even amount of traffic. And those URLs include your URLs or URLs from your customers. We also have a gallery option, meaning that the ads will all be positioned on a gallery, and you'll actually need to see it to believe it. It's pretty amazing, and it's something that we've invented here at World Profit so that you can get a tremendous revenue stream from people who are paying you to put their websites in your rotator. This tour video is just meant as an overview. Once you've purchased the package, which is a yearly fee of $67, you will see a more complex video on exactly how the system works. So this video is really just to go through the sales page and just let you know exactly what each part of it means. Essentially, this is your own URL rotator. It is on your domain name, and it allows you to sell. We've got a built-in system which uses PayPal, so that way you can sell spaces on it. We give you traffic sources and everything. It's really an incredible system. The way it works is you're the owner of the system. You can enter as many URLs as you want for constant traffic, and the beauty of it is you simply promote the URL of the rotator or the rotator gallery URL. And I'm going to show you both of those, and you'll see that it's very easy. The money-making component, of course, is not only can you put your URLs in the system, but you can add URLs of your customers, and you can generate customers through advertising and safe listing exchanges. And it doesn't end there. You can advertise on classified ad sites and Facebook, and even more. Of course, all of the profit is yours. You make all of the money from the sales of URL spots in your rotator. All of the URLs will be editable by you or your customers. They will have their own little area where they can go privately and make changes. As soon as they change URLs, you are notified, and you will have to approve the change to make sure that URL works, because you don't want URLs in your site based on that. So you can expire these by date if you wish. It's up to you. You have control completely over the system. If somebody comes in and would like to purchase traffic in the rotator, you can send them a certain amount of hits or visitors. And if they go in your gallery, you can sell them a certain amount of views, meaning their site will show up in the gallery 5,000, 10,000 times, whatever it is you'd like to do. You get complete click tracking, so that way you know exactly how many visits are going to your gallery page and how many are going to your rotator page. It doesn't stop there. You can also, on your gallery page, include Google Analytics, and you can put live chat on there. So there's an area where you can enter code, which is pretty cool. And the code doesn't end there. You can also enter a custom title for your header and footer, and you can put a header image in if you want. Let me give you just an idea of what this looks like. I'm just going to change now to the settings area here, and then we can give you an idea of what it looks like inside. And again, this isn't meant as a help video. This is just a quick tour of just giving you some ideas of what you will see after you purchase the system. By default, we will set up just a couple of settings for you here. It'll be up to you if you want to put an image in for your gallery page. And it's easier to just show you this gallery page first. I have a few ads in it. You can see I have 2 ads right now. And you can also see that I've put a header in, which is optional. You don't need to have that if you don't want. And you get to customize this here, and you also get to customize this, which is the link where people will go if they want to go anywhere. That doesn't have to be to join a rotator program. It can be anywhere you want. You can also change this one here to any title or link that you want. Okay, and as you can see, the buttons show up here. As soon as you hit refresh, if you had 25 people in here, we have 5 colors of buttons, and they're very easy to see, very clear. The gallery is designed this way so it loads very quickly, because you're going to advertise this everywhere and get a tremendous amount of traffic going to it. So it has to be very lean and quick loading, and that's exactly what it is. All of the visitors are tracked here. So as soon as somebody goes to this page, you'll have full tracking, and your customers, if somebody clicks on one of these links, that is also tracked because it goes through a system where the click is tracked. So it's really an incredible system. We've been using it for many years in our diamond rotators, so the code works great. Down here you can see this will be blank for you, but you can put footer code in here. I wanted to leave this in because this is some Google Analytics here. You just get this right from Google, and you can see that I have some chat information in here too from my chat system. Okay, just to show you how easy it is, you just paste it in there and then you save it. You could show any amount of ads, up to 48 ads, from 6 to 48 ads on your main gallery page. And that's great if, which I'll show you in a minute, the URL manager, if you have a lot in there. What you end up promoting mainly is, of course, your gallery page, which is right here. And we give you some great sources too. We show you down here different traffic sources where you can purchase. And of course, you can enter the gallery URL in any traffic exchange or safe list that you want. We will expire the Rotator accounts based on the amount of hits or views that you've put in. If you want to do date, you would do that on your own, and you keep track of it. So you could put someone in for 6 months and make note of it. If you don't want the system to handle expiring based on viewer credits, you just have to check that box, and then we won't send. And the system will, of course, send you a copy. These are the Rotator URLs where you can send massive amounts of traffic to advertise either all the URLs, customer URLs only, or to yours. Of course, you can enter your own URLs. And just quickly, I'm going to give you an idea. We have a customer database here where you can enter customers. You have complete control over their ad and everything like that. And they enter their ads. As soon as they've ordered, they will receive this, which the system automatically generates. And they can go in and they can enter their ads and change them. And of course, your stuff shows up here, so it looks very professional. Of course, the URL ad manager, you can add 2 types of URLs, Rotator or Gallery. And you can see the expirations here based on hits for the Rotator and views right here. You can set the view credits as high as you want here. Okay, and that's for the gallery ads. We have order page settings. You go in, you could just put your PayPal email in, and then you can create as many traffic packages as you want. It's pretty incredible, and the order page will look like this. Okay, so you can set these up all you want, put notes in and everything like that. And like I said, when you watch the actual help video when you purchase this, I'll go into more detail on this. All right. We have a gallery tracker for all the clicks that are tracked for everybody. Rotator tracker too for the direct Rotator links. And of course we have an area for promotion if you want to promote. And we have widgets. These widgets are, you can place these widget codes anywhere you want. And your customers, you can show them that these are rotating their links. And they're very small. They're just like our diamond rotator with your stuff above and below. Which can go anywhere you want, and of course the ads here, and they rotate as people go to these sites. This can be put on a WordPress blog. We also have the vertical ones too, which are the up and down versions. Okay, so they're easier to fit into columns. And that's it. That is Rotator Genie. I hope you decide to purchase. If you do, it's $67 for 1 year. And you won't regret it. You can start your own business and make some money. Thank you.